Here we have the SHEN Utility and Paring Knife series. This is the Chi-Com slicer, which is perfect for small work in your hands, vegetables, cutting fish, cutting sashimi, sushi. The KD Deba, which is another beautiful little piece if you want to mince shallots or do any fine work, brunoise. The pointed paring, which is a great utility knife. Think of if you're sectioning oranges or any citrus fruit, cutting mushrooms or doing any fine work or anything you need to get in with a sharp point. This is a beauty. The curved paring is a great utility knife. If you ever had to tourne anything or make a round shape with something, this is a gorgeous knife to do that kind of work. And then we have the utility knife. This is a gorgeous knife. This can be used for almost anything. I keep this on my board for all kinds of uses. It's just probably one of my biggest go-to knives for any small utility purpose. So these paring knives are wonderfully balanced. They're comfortable in your hand. They're ergonomically correct. There's a great weight. There's a hinge at the end of the tang that really connects well with your hand. And this, I know I can do plenty of fine work without worrying about cutting myself because it's such a balanced knife. It grips comfortably in my hand. It's a beautiful piece. Most paring knives have much smaller tangs than this, and they're hard to manipulate or even hold in your hand. This is a beauty.